Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you whiten yellow teeth and remove teeth tartar naturally and get rid of teeth tartar and black of your teeth and whitening yellow teeth, and dentists hide this from us, so you need to go to the dentist. But in this video I'm going to show you the recipe that whitening yellow teeth and will remove the teeth tartar in just 1 minute, and you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you'll be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need is 1 banana, and we need to peel the banana like so. Now in a clean mixing bowl we need to scratch the banana peel like that with an aid of knife and place it into the clean mixing bowl. Banana peel has a natural substance that whitening yellow teeth, and it removes the teeth tartar naturally. Now we need to mash the banana peel like that to get it in a very smooth paste. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt, or any kind of table salt you do have. Any salt will work in that remedy. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Like that, my friends. Now mix well the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, with an aid of your brush, dip in your brush into the remedy and brush your teeth with it for 1 minute, and keep brushing, my friends, whitening yellow teeth, and you will find all the tartar will fall on its own, and you will be amazed with the result, my friends. Use this remedy, store it, and use it every day to achieve the best result ever. It doesn't cause any side effects. It will get your enamel to shine like pearls, and you'll be amazed with the result.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.